वेलकम टू प्रिंस स्टूडेंट हाउस। स्टूडेंट्स 100 वर्ड्स ए मिनट आपको लीगल डिक्टेशन दे रहे हैं, आपको हेल्प करेगी आने वाला स्किल टेस्ट पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट चंडीगढ़, और भविष्य में आप प्रैक्टिस के लिए रख सकते हैं। डेली प्रैक्टिस कीजिए। अहमदाबाद हाई कोर्ट गुजरात। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। द petitioner who is builder developer by profession has instituted these proceedings seeking the following reliefs. Point A, issue a writ, order and direction directing the respondent to place on record all the necessary records pertaining to case title bracket show moto case REIT oblique 0002 oblique 2001 titled as court of its own motion versus commissioners of all the municipal zones and another's. Point B, set aside and quash the orders and proceedings in respect of suo moto case REIT 0002 oblique 2021 titled as court of its own motion versus commissioners of all the municipal zones and another's. Point C, set aside orders dated 24th November 2021 and 17 November 2021 passed by Real Estate Appeal Tribunal New Delhi in suo moto case REIT oblique 0002 oblique 2021 titled as court of its own motion versus commissioners of all the municipal zones and another's. Signature not verified, digitally signed by NEHA. Signing date 26th May 2022. Time 12:3.5. In terms of the impugned orders, the Real Estate Appellate Tribunal has drawn suo moto proceedings in respect of various residential and commercial projects and construction activity being undertaken in connection therewith in the National Capital Territory of Delhi and passed orders of restraint in terms noted hereinafter. The order of 17th November 2021 in terms of which proceedings were initiated records as follows. Order. It has been mentioned before us that there are large number of projects under construction falling within the jurisdiction of this tribunal, where the mandatory provision for registration of project under the Real Estate bracket Regulation and Development Act 2016 has not been complied with. A number of projects have been mentioned at the bar. However, we deem it necessary to further verify the details before we name the properties herein. Section 3 in Chapter 11 of the Act provides for registration of a real estate project. Subsection 1 of Section 3 stipulates that no promoter shall advertise, market, book, sell or offer for sale or invite persons to purchase in any manner any plot, apartment or building as the case may be in any real estate project or part of it in any planning area without registering the real estate project with the real estate regulatory authority established under this act. Subsection 2 relates to the applicability of the act. Point A, where the area of land proposed to be developed exceeds 500 square meters or the number of apartments proposed to be developed exceeds 8 inclusive of all phases. It has been submitted before us that despite the clarity of the provisions of the act regarding their applicability, there is a rampant non-compliance of these provisions within the city. The registry of the tribunal also points out that they had addressed a couple of communications to the Commissioner of Police seeking details of the FIRs registered in respect of societies, individuals. Appellate Tribunal signature not verified, digitally signed by NEHA, signing dated 26th May 2022 at 12 3.5 offering membership of housing projects and prudently collecting huge amounts of money from the gullible buyers within the jurisdiction of Delhi and especially in areas falling under the land pooling policy initiated by the Delhi Development Authority. The details are stated to have not been received till date despite lapse of considerable time and also a reminder stop.